War games, Leviathan. Dare to face the Lord of the Oceans.
There is no information for this level intentionally. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
All levels are like that only maybe.
Right. Okay. So, okay, we have Leviathan 0 as username and password.
What's the port? 2221 I think, right? 2223.
Okay.
Okay,
I think the time is okay.
just the
10. Okay.
introductory page. There is something Leviathan pass, right? So data for all levels can be found in the home directories. We can look at Leviathan pass for various levels of passwords. Hmm.
Okay. We had
One to
Leviathan
eight.
0.
Okay, you came right.
Right. And we
Just type ls-a.
okay. We have a dot backup file.
Hmm.
ls-l. Cat
Bookmarks.
bookmarks.
Oops.
Okay.
Say. Okay. No, actually, you have to type something else. Maybe I'm not sure.
Great. Uh, do we have?
Maybe you have to
Sorry.
grep it. Grep it Leviathan, yeah.
Okay. The password for Leviathan 1 is this. Rayo.
Okay, okay, yeah. Let me do that.
Okay, now we can exit and we can log in again to Leviathan 1. Right.
Actually, this is different, right? Yes. Okay, wrong password. Goodbye.
Okay, cat.
Check. Check. Password. Type something. Okay, wrong password. Goodbye.
Do we have history or something?
Mm, actually, now we got the password. Uh,
Hello.
yeah, just I think we have to inspect this file with some commands, some reverse engineering commands.
Okay, we can type strings here.
You can type strings. Actually, you have to type something like ltrace.
Yeah, strings and address both are same, right? Uh, what is this? We have allow.
Yeah,
Okay, and okay,
I got the answer. Just type ltrace and space dot slash check dot slash check and type something. Just any random. See, it's taking only first three letters KLL and it is checking
and
it
it
with
is checking to set. Okay,
yeah. So now the password is
anything that starts
sex.
from
No,
that
the
word.
password is sex. It's checking with sex only, right?
Okay, and who am I? Okay, we are Leviathan 2.
Got it.
Okay, we got the password. Okay, we have print file here.
What is this?
So,
Leviathan 1 or Leviathan 2? Leviathan 2 maybe.
uh, yeah, Leviathan 2.
Okay.
Print file, then file name. Okay, slash etc slash.
Leviathan 3. Okay. Exit.
You
Exit.
can't have
Leviathan.
that file to permission denied. Okay,
Again, you have to use ltrace. Hey, what is it doing here? Print file printer percentages and it's doing nothing. Just try to print file and just try to give level. Just try to check its less hyphen la print file. Yeah, it has
hmm
this execution Leviathan 3 execution. So just try to uh, give the command. Yeah, not that. Just try to give the xe Leviathan pass. Okay, don't worry about other things. Dot slash print file slash xe slash Leviathan pass Leviathan 3. You can't have that file. Why can't I have that file?
okay. Permission denied we have for Leviathan 3. Right, but if we try Leviathan 2, if you notice here, we have
You are
command execution.
now, you're actually doing command chaining.
Hmm
So in the first case, you have a Leviathan 3 permissions. In the second case, you have like first part of a semicolon, you have this Leviathan 3 permissions. In the second part, you have Leviathan 2 permissions.
Okay. Right.
This one is complicated. Will trace.
Huh.
Actually, you have to create something for this.
Okay. Why am I thinking that this goes to like buffer overflow thing? Okay, because it uses puts.
Yeah, yeah, it's buffer overflow only, but uh, it's not allowing to do anything. See, there is something. 1 second. Just looking at cat file. Source version.
Okay, I think we shall stop here right now because I am not getting anything.
Yeah, actually, you have to specify something. Just type ltrace space dot forward slash print file and some test file.
And
Just type
then,
some random number. Uh,
okay. So
got
now it
something.
does give something, and it is using slash bin slash cat, then this print file,
Yeah,
and your UID is 12,002.
yeah. Just forget about that. But what it's doing is, it's calling system and executing this cat command.
Mm-hmm.
Cat command and the file name. Okay.
Right.
So and it should be a full name. If it is some half name, it doesn't execute. So
Hmm.
you have to create a file with two names uh, file new.txt. See, take it as a single name, single file name. Okay. So when you try to do that, it will take only file, it will not take new.txt. Even if it is a single file name, it will not take after the space. So that's what it means. And so you have to create a file in the temp directory. So I will share my screen, it will be better, right?
Okay.
You got an idea, right? Like what's going on.
No, no, I didn't get anything.
See, uh, I used this one, I used this one. Yeah, you also used that one, but you specified some other file, right? So it gave a
Mm-hmm.
system commands. So it is slash bin slash cat
Slash cat.
and some file name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this whole thing is in quotes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So if there is a space, it will. take it as a next command, not this part of this command. So if it is space something else, then
Mm-hmm.
it will take it as a different command and it will stop right here only.
Okay.
You get it?
Mm-hmm.
So we have to create such a file that this print file will take, and it will uh, spit out the our Leviathan 3 password. So we have to do that. One second, I will just go to mkdir slash temp slash, this is 2, right? 2 cd, okay, so cd slash temp slash, okay. Now we will create one file. Okay, just type touch and just type file and new.txt, something like that. Okay, now it is a single file.
Mm-hmm.
Cat file. So it's a single file, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we try to print this one using that print file, this one. Okay, this is in the
Okay.
home directory. So ltrace and this one print file and file new.txt. I think so. Let's try to do. No, actually, you have to execute in a different way. I have to execute in this way. I think so. So see what it has taken. Now such file or directory. Hmm. See, it has taken to a next command. It's trying to do this. See?
Yeah, it is trying to do this.
Yeah. So in that place, we have to keep our Etsy, this one, uh, our thing. What Leviathan 3.
Okay, so we have
Hello.
space slash something like that.
Yeah. Actually, in this case, what we will do is we have our file here. So we will link this file to our Leviathan file. So we'll create a soft link saying that etc Leviathan pass / Leviathan, and which one is this, 3, right? To our temp file, temp 22, and what is this file dot. Actually, we don't have to keep the full name because it will execute it anyway. Just keep it something like this. So
Okay.
if we try
And
to,
now run the code again.
yeah, now see what's happening. Yeah, it has created
A
uh,
folder.
a folder.
Okay, a link.
Yeah, it's a link. So it is connected to that one. So if we try
Mm-hmm.
to execute this print file now with this one, where is this
File
file
space new.txt.
new.txt, right?
Hmm.
So what it will do, it will first execute this one, then it will go for new.txt, right? But it's
Hmm.
not there. It should go for file, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Just run it for once.
Yeah,
Got it?
yeah,
Yeah.
there is
We got
new.
we
Yeah,
got the password.
we got the password here.
Okay. It is going out of my mind right now.
See, actually, it is splitting it again. So it took this one first, then it's splitting again. Cat file, it's checking, then it's
So
again checking
basic.
new.txt.
Yeah. Got
So
it.
in our case, that file is this one, this short link, and this new.txt is nothing. So yeah, no such file or directory.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a tough one. Leviathan, which
And
one? I have to go to Leviathan 1, right?
no, you have to go to Leviathan 2.
Okay. Yep. I'm in Leviathan 2. And now here, there is a print file. To try to print file, you have to mention some file name.
Yeah, right.
So with the print file and just some file name, you can't have that file. So uh, if you have to put some file name, and if that file you can access, then you can have that file and you can do whatever you want. So it just cats out the file contents. But if you do ltrace and do the same thing, file, so it just prints out. So there is a condition whether this has to satisfy or not. So it just prints out you can't have that file. So if it is some legitimate file, then it prints out something. So we have to create a temp directory for testing. So let's create something. Temp slash this one, levi 2. So cd slash temp slash levi 2. Okay, there is nothing here, so I'll just create some file. So there is a file, and now let's try to cat this. Since it is a file, so it might show something, right? So
Wait, I am not able to even create a file, I think.
where in temp directory?
Yeah.
Why?
So I created a directory.
See, since you have access to this file, it's able to do something. So let's cat something into it. Okay, let's do something, and let's try to run the same file. See, it's able to cat, right?
Yes, yes.
So if you don't have access to that file, I mean, if it doesn't belong to Leviathan 2, then it doesn't allow. For example, if you do the same thing with print file and hc slash what is that, Leviathan pass, right? And Leviathan 3. So we don't have access to this file,
Hmm.
so it says you can't have that file. But if you do
Okay.
this, it might give something, right? Yeah, it might.
And
It's
still we
actually,
have
yeah, it has something extra. So but still it's giving a different result compared to this one, right?
hmm.
So what we have to do is we have to find out what's going on. So for that, uh, let's see the with the working one. Okay, so this is giving some different results, so we'll just use ltrace for this. Okay, so
Hmm.
it's using cat, and it's actually trying to uh, print out something, but it's giving some error here. Okay, but still see, it's able to cat this one. Okay, it's using cat command and then this one. So but there
Okay.
are something permissions for it, but still it got the cat this thing. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. Right.
so we have to uh, have a file that has permissions to it. So we'll just create some file. Okay, so we'll use
Mhm.
touch. uh, let's create, we have already created one file here, like file here, right? So let's
Mhm.
try to uh, do this linking. So we'll create a soft link with this one. Oh, not this one, let's go with this one.
Leviathan 3.
Okay. Yeah, I
Okay.
forgot this. Okay, and connect it to file, right? This one,
Yes.
which we
Okay.
have.
So we have a link dash s soft link
Yeah,
and then slash etc slash Leviathan pass Leviathan 3. Okay.
file to
And
link
then
file exists. So we have to create a different file name. Let's create files. So now it is created some link. Okay, this one.
failed to create. Okay, wait. I created a link for files.
Yeah. Now if you try to print it, it should be able to print.
Right. And now if I try to uh, print file and dot slash
Hmm.
files.
Yeah, and one more thing, that what it's actually doing is mm, it's doing something else, like it's dividing the file into some other part. Let's do something else, like let's create a file with double name, like um, file and space new, something like that. Okay, now it has this one. This is full, this is a file name with the two names. Okay,
Yeah, right.
so uh, let's try to do the same thing with this, like print file and file space. No, actually have to do something like this. Did you see what's happening?
Oh, okay. So the first file is scattered out and then again it is trying to search for new file. Okay,
Yeah,
new named file. Okay.
yeah, but new
Right.
doesn't exist.
Yeah, right.
So we have to create such a thing for this one also, Leviathan 3. So
Okay.
let's try to remove these files. SRF and this file. I'm removing this first one. This first one. Okay, because it
Mm-hmm.
actually printed out that contents. Okay, but we don't want that one. We want Leviathan 3.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm just removing that file. So what I'm doing now is let's try to link uh, file.
File with
Each,
Leviathan 3.
yeah, instead of the file which I've deleted, this actually has content. So we have to create such a file that it will have link to this one.
Yeah, right.
So actually we can use the previous command for that. Yeah, since there is no file name called file, it will get created in this directory.
Mm-hmm.
So now if we try to use this one, so
Yeah.
what it will do, it will first try to process the whole thing, but then it will print out each one individually. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's how it is, but this one is linked to that one, this one. So what it actually did is, first it tried to uh, take the input as whole, but then divide each one and try to cat each one separately. since it tried to cat a file, since it is linked to this one, it
Mm-hmm.
catted that one, and next it went to new, but there is no new, right? There is no such file or directory.
Yeah, right.
So this is our password for Leviathan 3. You have to understand this part actually. If we try to trace this, you'll get an idea.
Plus temp, and what was my Leviathan 2? Okay. Okay, I'm trying since we can have a space, right?
Yeah.
And we can link a new link Leviathan 3's password file to the space separated file name.
Hmm.
Uh, can we try command injection too?
Command injection in which way?
We can create a file which has semicolon separated file name.
Hmm.
So wait a second, left to, and we can say, let's say touch,
No,
then
actually, what happens is when you use command injection like that, your privileges will change. See, this print file has the privilege of Leviathan 3. If you
no, no,
see,
I am. So last time we created, we had that discussion. So we didn't create a file. So what I am trying to say is, let's say we create a file, something like this. So let's
I
say
can't.
we create a file like this. I'm typing it on. Uh,
I'll make you presenter.
yeah, okay, okay. So my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, increase the font.
Can see.
Yeah, yeah, I can.
So what I am telling you is I want to create this type of file. So right,
Okay.
and let's say we run print file, and for this file, bincat a no such file or directory. Okay, sorry. Uh, wait, what happened?
Actually, the
Print
command
file
ended at the semicolon itself.
bash dash p.
Space, space. Okay.
Uh, okay, no such file or directory. Let's say we also create a touch a.
You
Wait,
don't have
why?
permission. This is okay. This is temp directory. You should be able to create, right? Okay. Now you're in Leviathan 3. You're already in Leviathan 3, so you cannot access Leviathan 2 files.
Okay, how am I Leviathan 3?
That's what I can't get it. How are you Leviathan 3?
Okay, yeah, so this bash dash p command worked.
Okay, okay, okay.
So look, I have Leviathan 2, then I run this, and I am Leviathan 3 because dash bash dash p command worked. Because it is calling system
Yeah, yeah.
function in that, and I am Leviathan 3, right? ID, it is Leviathan 3. Who am I? Am I? And still Leviathan 3.
Yeah. And this bash hyphen p does what?
Dash hyphen p just no profile.
Okay, no profile.
Hmm. So it doesn't provide bash dash p works for permission. So it doesn't give or maybe dropping the permission like that.
Okay.
Uh, Wait, bash. Uh, Wait, let's search for it. Right, bash dash p option.
Increase the font. Uh,
Bash dash p. Uh,
Actually, you can simply go to this. There's no P here.
we don't have dash p. Wait, what?
You invented a new one.
So no, so I was trying to find another solution on internet if someone has wrote walkthrough, and they use this type of thing.
Yeah,
So I was wondering if it will.
just check this man page, man bash.
Okay, man bash. Okay,
So it has just type hyphen p. You'll get redirected.
okay. We
Yeah, here,
have
here.
if the shell is started with the effective user ID not equal to the real user ID, and dash p option is not supplied. Wait, this time dash p. Uh,
Dash p again space. Yeah, here. So if the file exists,
mhm.
what is this?
No, it is not about bash, I think. Conditional expression is there.
Dash p space, dash p space. Give some space at the search bar. Dash p and space. Yeah. Now it filters out other things. Mm.
Okay, inherit the environment and shell opts, bash opts, cd path, and uh, globe ignore variables. If they appear in the environment, are ignored, and the effective user ID is set to the real user ID.
Hmm.
So if the DSP option is supplied at invocation, the startup behavior is the same, but the effective user ID is not reset. Okay,
Hmm.
so when we run as Leviathan 3, the
Hmm.
print file is run at Leviathan 3.
Yeah.
The user is not effectively resetted, and Leviathan 2 is not reset. So
Yeah.
that's why we are getting Leviathan 3 as a bash. Okay.
Yeah. So when once we use this p hyphen p, it executes the
Mm-hmm.
command, but it retains the effective user.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got
Mm.
it.
Yeah. So let's go to level 3. Actually, you can continue with that. You can
Yeah, we
continue
can continue with that, but
level.
let's let's create another connection. Okay, let's run this first of all.
It's asking for
So
some
it says
password.
password.
Wrong password.
Okay, wrong.
Ltrace.
Okay,
Yeah, this one should be easy,
let's say
right?
Altris level 3.
Okay, it's comparing with KKK. right? No, it's actually doing one more print, SNL print.
Okay. It is comparing with ALDKSL.
Mm,
Okay, right.
actually, we have to provide. Uh, did I provide something? Yeah, I provided this thing. We have to provide SNL printf. Just provide SNL printf because type something. Just type something and give enter. Just type something. Yeah. See, in the compare section, this the text you
It
typed
says
is compared with SNL printf.
so when we run level 3 and SNL print F, okay, ID. Okay, we have Leviathan 4.
Yeah, this one.
Leviathan
Hey, it's still Leviathan 3.
underscore. No, we have UID as Leviathan 4.
Okay. That's an printf. You got a shell. I also got the, but I'm still Leviathan 3. I'm not sure.
Leviathan 4 and
Okay, so I was using something else. Exit.
okay, we have Leviathan 4, right?
Yeah, this one was
Again,
using
there we don't have to go to the Chrome part.
Leviathan
Okay, we
4.
have dash bars rc dash bash underscore logout dash. Okay, so we can go to dot trash ls. Okay, ls dash al. Right, and dot slash bin slash bash. Okay, ls dash al bin cd bin. Okay, wait, it is not a
Is there
directory.
anything inside ls? I mean the home.
Yes, if you type ls dash al,
Yeah, yeah.
you
There is
will
a
find hidden
trash.
directory.
Yeah, yeah. Trash. Oh hell no.
We have a binary.
Hmm.
Let's say cyberchef
Yeah.
and
Uh,
control away from binary.
oopsie. I just catted it and uh, I see a lot of gibberish.
Yeah, because it is a
Binary.
executable file.
Yeah, this is just binary to this one, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So that's it.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you just use which one?
Cyberchef has many good things. Like it can do many things. It's just a magic. Okay.
Copy selection. I go here. Cyber chef binary to text.
No, don't do that. Go to direct try CyberChef, and uh,
Yeah, I
there is
see
a
GitHub.
operations. Hmm?
Okay. Operations
And
and search
where and type binary or bin, and you will see to binary or from binary. So you
from
can do both
binary.
things. You can yeah.
I see from binary, but I cannot click it. Okay.
You have to drag and drop to the middle area,
Oh, okay. I found it.
right?
Yeah.
And paste the binary into the input area, and you will get the output.
Okay. That's good.
Or the best thing about CyberSafe is there is a magic.
Okay.
Type magic, type magic.
Hmm.
Just delete the one in the middle area
Hmm.
and type magic and drag and drop into middle.
Yeah. So it does all the things. Okay.
It does all the thing for us, so we don't have to specifically guess if something goes.
Okay. Okay. It's actually kind of automated too. It's taking the
Yeah,
from
yeah,
binary. Did you see?
yeah, yeah.
It's taking the from binary thing. Yeah. So the next one, Leviathan 6.
Okay, we have to touch slash tmp slash file dot log. Okay, and then
Can't find temp file log. Okay, so this is same.
you
This
have
is
to create temp file dot log.
no, no,
Then
no. You don't
let's
have.
get out.
Okay. Tabs. No, actually, just create a symlink. ln-s. Don't create anything. Just
Why?
create symlink. Uh, just like that. Like it is just catting out the temp file, right? And it's not saying it's not finding this. So just connect the Leviathan file to this file, so it will create this file, and then when you try to run this Leviathan file, it will automatically cat out this temp file. You didn't get.
Okay.
Did you get it? So
No, no.
create a symlink like we did in Leviathan 3 with this name, like slash temp slash file dot log. Okay, before we did for file, now do it for file dot log, like a temp file dot log, and it
Okay. Link dash s
xc
slash
slash
xc slash Leviathan pass Leviathan 6 to slash tmp file dot log.
yep,
Right.
yep,
And then we type. Okay.
yeah, just
So how did you get that part?
yeah, from that only, from Leviathan 3.
No, no. How did you think that this link has to be done? So I was like,
Because
create a file. Okay.
see, creating a link means it will automatically create a temp file. See, creating a link means it will automatically create a file, a shortcut file.
Yeah. Hmm.
So it's try to see it here. You can see F open, and it's trying to open this file, and in a read format. Did you see R
Hmm.
slash temp slash log and then R?
Hmm.
So it's just reading
Yeah,
the
right.
file. Okay, once we create this sim link, then it automatically uh, finds this file and then try to return it.
Okay. So it just try to read that file. Okay, okay, right. Got it.
Yeah,
Hmm. Got it.
I think that's it. I don't think 7 is there, but let's see it anyway.
No, no, 7 is there. Okay, we have 7th.
Enter a 4-digit code. It's asking for a 4-digit code. How do we know? Let's do it L trace again. No, it's not allowing me to use L trace. That's great.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wrong, wrong, wrong. It just types. Okay, we can do this thing. We have hexes, right?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Uh, from hex.
I think we just have to create a file like a script.
No, data is not valid by error. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Hmm.
Right? Okay. Okay. We have to
No.
just,
See,
I think, just brute forcing it.
yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. So let's create a temp file and temp directory. mk
Maybe I will use
here itself.
this. Yeah.
We can use here itself.
Yeah, I will use
So you will create a file from here.
$6. Nope, I am not creating any file. I'm just using this. Okay, this is not a bash command. So we can say sequence, I think. SEQ. Uh,
No, actually, you have to provide those variables to this one, our ltrace, this Leviathan 6 file.
yeah, yeah, I have provided it and it is saying wrong, wrong, wrong.
I think it will take some
Wait,
time and it will give.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you got a shell. So I'll go in reverse. For
Yeah, we have Leviathan 7.
yeah, can you show me the script, like how you did it?
Wait,
Nine nine
wait a
nine nine
second.
dot.
Leviathan underscore bash slash Leviathan 7, and we have the password and we can store it. Right. So what I did,
Oh, it's actually going
yeah. So
sequence,
what I
right?
did, I started a for loop.
Okay.
Okay. So we can directly write by script on the command line itself, but we have to consider few things. So first of all, I have created a for loop
Hmm.
for I,
Hmm.
and we can say we can also type sequence from 4-digit number to 0000 to 9999. So
Yeah.
what I did was the sequence will create a sequence starting from 0, 0, 0, 0, and provide it to I. So for every I, it will try dot Leviathan 6 dollar I. So for
Yeah.
every I, so let's say for first time I was 0, 0, 0, 0. So
Hmm.
it will try dot line. In Vim, we don't have to provide this
Uh,
semicolon here, but
Actually,
in
there
command
was a
line we have to provide.
network issue. I was not able to hear the last 10 seconds.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So again I am repeating it
Hmm.
that for every I there is a sequence. So we provided let's say let's say we type wait let's say we
I.
type this thing only for I in dollar
Oops. It didn't do anything.
sequence 0000 to 0011. Okay, and then we just echo it out, echo dollar out, dollar I, and then done.
Okay. Uh, can we reverse the sequence?
We reverse the sequence. I'm not sure we can. So it will print out, but let's say we try to reverse the sequence 0011 0000.
It didn't do
Okay.
anything. Maybe there's a R tag or R option or something like
Hmm.
that. Reverse option or anything like that.
This is breaking, I think.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. So maybe there's a sequence hyphen R something like that.
Uh, Wait a second. I just okay. Now it should not contain anything. Okay. So let's type sequence dash dash help. Uh,
Okay, first increment lost.
are interpreted as floating point values. Increment is usually positive. Okay.
Yeah, I get it. Actually, you have to mention, see the third line, seek option and first increment last, right? In the increment place,
Hmm.
I kept -1. So I got it in 10 seconds.
Okay.
I got the shell in 10 seconds. Yeah, from here, if you put 9, yeah,
Okay.
just
So by
99,
default, okay,
yeah.
by default it will increment, but if we want to decrement it, we have to give -1.
Yeah, just redo the Leviathan again. Like, yeah. But instead of 9999, you keep first 9999, then -1, then 0000. I got it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should be getting any now. Yeah, yeah, it was a bit faster. Maybe because
Uh,
it's closer to the 999.
or maybe they are using a random number to generate four-digit number.
No, actually, everything is fixed. I think
Okay.
because the write-ups are also there, right? So,
Okay.
but we don't know which one is the
Which
exact
number is it?
number. Yeah,
We can print the number also.
yeah. So it's
7123.
7123. So, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, we finished with Leviathan.
Yeah.
So what next?
So now we we have like 10 or maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes.
So we can go to. Have you created account on TryHackMe?
Yeah, I can create. I can create. Just we'll just go through this. Is it a college email?
Yeah, because for college email they give like 20% off in the premium. So I had premium for 2 months.
Oh,
So for normal user it is $10 per month, but for students they are like $8 per month. So
okay.
at least we are saving $2.
Okay. So how did you pay for it? Like using credit card or PayPal, something like that?
Yeah, you have to pay using credit card only,
Okay. Hmm.
or
So
maybe net banking.
yeah. So it will directly convert it into dollars.
Yeah, it will convert into dollar.
Mhm.
So I think for this, uh, you will try first because basically it is the basic Linux fundamentals, but still these
Yeah.
parts I have done it. So I think you will try first, and I will guide you if
Yeah.
necessary.
Yeah. Yeah. I can. Yeah. So when will we start? In the next session, right? Okay. Forget about this one. Just go through what else we will do.
Okay. So for the basics, we have still left for uh, wait, Linux
Is this one
fundamentals. Okay.
free? Like Linux is free for beginners?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, if it is free, then I'll be able to do it, right? Without paying.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's why I was suggesting these three.
Okay. These three are free.
Yes, three. These all three are free.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll be able to do.
So we will have this part one, part two, and part three, but
Hmm.
it will not take our time like Leviathan or something like that. It is
Hmm.
not uh, that much
Yeah, that much
hard or
tricky.
deep, but still, yeah, yeah.
This.
But it will guide you through the basic Linux things,
Hmm.
so somewhat permissions and all that. So it will be a revising thing maybe, and
Hmm.
then we will jump onto web application or web exploitation.
Yeah. We'll just follow that sequence which we discussed. Uh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We will follow that.